Hey, I know I'm interrupting your really important YouTube video, but if you're interested in a free 50 bucks, do not skip this ad. No, this isn't a catch, a gimmick. We're really giving new patients here at Dr. Zach Dental Care a free 50 bucks simply for showing up for an exam and a basic cleaning. So if you are overdue for a checkup, and odds are you probably are overdue, most patients wait an extra 2 to 4 months when they know they need a checkup, go ahead and click the link down below, and we're gonna give you 50 bucks in the form of an e-gift card for one of 6 major brand names. That's for Nordstrom, Visa, Amazon, Target, Lululemon Athletica, or MAC Cosmetics. So if you like looking good all year round because you are caught up on your oral hygiene, and if you like being richer because you have 50 bucks in your bank account and we made up the difference for you basically missing work, go ahead and click the link down below. We can't wait to see you in our office.